Buying a used Mercedes after the warranty expires can either be a smart long-term decision or the kind of financial mistake that slowly drains your bank account. And in most cases, the real problem is not the brand itself. It is choosing the wrong engine, the wrong generation, or a car filled with complexity that becomes expensive to maintain as it ages. But what many buyers do not realize is that some Mercedes models are actually far cheaper to own than their reputation suggests. Certain generations were built with more mature drivetrains, simpler engineering, and much more predictable long-term maintenance costs. In some cases, they can even be less financially stressful than newer cars with small turbocharged engines and complicated electronics. In this video, we will rank 5 used Mercedes models that deliver surprisingly reasonable ownership costs when bought correctly. And at the end, I will also show you which versions and configurations should be avoided if your goal is to own a Mercedes without turning it into a financial problem after the warranty expires. Starting this list from the highest acceptable ownership risk, but still far cheaper to maintain than most buyers expect, we have the Mercedes-Benz CLS 550 C219 from model years 2008 to 2011. And this car perfectly demonstrates how reputation can sometimes exaggerate the real ownership costs of an older Mercedes. The recommended configuration is the CLS 550 equipped with the naturally aspirated 5.5-liter V8 M273 paired with the 7G-tronic automatic transmission. Output sits around 382 horsepower, but the real advantage here is not performance. It is the fact that this drivetrain belongs to one of the last Mercedes eras before widespread turbocharging and extreme electronic complexity became standard. In real-world ownership, properly maintained M273 V8 models have shown surprisingly strong long-term durability. Most of the common problems are well documented and financially predictable, which is exactly what lowers ownership stress after the warranty expires. Oil leaks, suspension wear, and aging electronic modules are the most common issues, especially on neglected cars. Models equipped with airmatic suspension can also become significantly more expensive to maintain over time. Before buying one, the inspection should focus heavily on suspension condition, transmission behavior at low speeds, and complete service history. And this is exactly why the CLS 550 became such an interesting used Mercedes bargain. Most buyers see an old V8 luxury coupe and automatically expect catastrophic ownership costs, causing values to depreciate far faster than the actual mechanical quality of the car deserved. When purchased correctly, the CLS 550 can still deliver flagship Mercedes engineering, strong V8 durability, and surprisingly manageable long-term ownership costs for a fraction of its original price. Moving one step deeper into this list, the second car is the Mercedes-Benz CLK 350 C209 from model years 2007 to 2009. And this is one of the most overlooked Mercedes coupes when it comes to long-term ownership costs. The recommended configuration is the CLK 350 equipped with the naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 M272 paired with the 7G-tronic automatic transmission. Earlier versions of the M272 had serious balance shaft issues, which is why these later years matter so much. By 2007, most of the major engine problems had already been corrected, making the late CLK 350 a far safer ownership proposition. What makes this car surprisingly affordable to maintain is its relatively simple engineering compared to newer luxury coupes. It avoids highly stressed, turbocharged engines, excessive electronic complexity, and expensive modern suspension systems. In real-world ownership, properly maintained examples regularly exceed 160,000 miles without major drivetrain failures. Common issues include oil leaks, worn engine mounts, and occasional window regulator failures, but most of these problems are gradual and financially manageable when addressed early. Before buying one, the inspection should focus on service history, transmission smoothness, suspension wear, and confirmation that maintenance was performed consistently over the years. And this is exactly why the CLK 350 became such an underrated used Mercedes. It still looks and feels like an expensive luxury coupe, but depreciation pushed prices down far below the actual durability and ownership costs of the platform. When bought correctly, it delivers classic Mercedes comfort, elegant styling, and surprisingly predictable maintenance expenses without the financial stress normally associated with older luxury cars. At the midpoint of this list, we have the Mercedes-Benz SLK 350 R172 from model years 2012 to 2015. And this is one of the rare luxury roadsters that turned out to be far less expensive to own than most people expected. The recommended configuration is the SLK 350 equipped with the naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 M276 paired with the 7G-tronic automatic transmission. Output is around 302 horsepower, but the real value here is mechanical simplicity by modern Mercedes standards. This generation arrived before Mercedes fully transitioned into smaller turbocharged engines and much more complicated hybrid-assisted drivetrains. In real-world ownership, the M276 V6 has proven to be one of the brand's more durable modern engines when maintained correctly. Properly serviced SLK 350 models regularly surpass 150,000 miles without major engine or transmission repairs. Common issues include oil leaks, worn engine mounts, and occasional problems related to the retractable hardtop mechanism, especially on poorly maintained examples. But compared to newer luxury convertibles with far more electronic complexity, the SLK 350 remains surprisingly manageable financially. Before buying one, the inspection should focus on roof operation, service history, suspension wear, and transmission smoothness during low-speed driving. And this is exactly why the SLK 350 became such an underrated used Mercedes bargain. Most buyers assume older luxury convertibles automatically become financial disasters after warranty coverage ends. But the R172 quietly delivers strong long-term durability, premium Mercedes engineering, and relatively predictable maintenance costs at prices far below what most people expect from a luxury roadster. Moving into the safer side of this list, the fourth car is the Mercedes-Benz R350 W251 from model years 2010 to 2012. And this may be one of the most misunderstood Mercedes vehicles ever produced, which is exactly why it became surprisingly affordable to own. The recommended configuration is the R350 equipped with the naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 M272 paired with the 7G-tronic automatic transmission. By these later years, most of the major early engine issues had already been corrected, giving the drivetrain a much stronger long-term reliability profile. What makes the R350 interesting financially is that it shares many proven Mercedes mechanical components with other models from the same era while remaining heavily depreciated because buyers never fully understood what the vehicle was supposed to be. It was too large to feel like a wagon, and too unconventional to compete directly with SUVs, which caused resale values to collapse faster than the actual mechanical quality deserved. In real-world ownership, properly maintained R350 models regularly exceed 180,000 miles without major engine or transmission failures. Common issues include suspension wear, oil leaks, and occasional electronic convenience system problems, but most repairs remain relatively predictable compared to newer luxury SUVs loaded with complex electronics and turbocharged drivetrains. Vehicles equipped with airmatic suspension should still be approached carefully because suspension repairs can become expensive over time. Before buying one, the inspection should focus on suspension condition, cooling system maintenance, transmission behavior, and complete service documentation. And this is exactly why the R350 quietly became one of the cheapest Mercedes models to own relative to the amount of comfort, space, and engineering it still delivers. Most buyers ignored it. Depreciation hit hard, and today that creates a rare opportunity to buy a highly practical luxury Mercedes with surprisingly manageable ownership costs. At the top of this list as the safest long-term ownership choice, we have the Mercedes-Benz E320 CDI W211 from model years 2007 to 2009. And from a financial perspective, this is one of the rare luxury sedans that can actually become cheaper to own as mileage increases, provided the car was maintained correctly from the beginning. The recommended configuration is the E320 CDI, equipped with the 3.0-liter turbo diesel OM 642 V6 paired with the 7G-tronic automatic transmission. Output sits around 210 horsepower and over 390 lb-ft of torque. But the real advantage here is durability and efficiency. The OM 642 developed a very strong reputation for long-distance reliability in the U.S. market, especially in highway-driven examples with consistent maintenance records. Properly maintained W211 diesel models regularly exceed 250,000 miles without requiring internal engine or transmission rebuilds, which is extremely uncommon in the luxury segment. Common issues include oil cooler seal leaks, suspension wear, and occasional diesel emissions-related repairs, but most of these problems are already well understood by independent Mercedes specialists and remain far more manageable than the repair costs associated with newer luxury cars filled with complex, turbocharged, and hybrid systems. Before buying one, the inspection should focus heavily on maintenance history, cold start behavior, transmission smoothness, and emissions system condition. Neglected diesel maintenance can quickly erase the ownership advantages of this platform, and this is exactly why the E320 CDI became such an underrated used Mercedes bargain. Most buyers became afraid of older luxury diesels, causing values to depreciate heavily, despite the drivetrain's proven long-term durability. Today, that creates a rare opportunity to own a premium Mercedes sedan with exceptional highway comfort, impressive fuel economy, and surprisingly predictable ownership costs for a fraction of what similar luxury cars still cost. When it comes to used Mercedes ownership, the real key is understanding which models were engineered to age slowly. The 5 cars on this list all offer something increasingly rare in the modern luxury market: mature drivetrains, predictable maintenance costs, and long-term durability when properly maintained. None of them are maintenance-free, but they can be far less expensive to own than most buyers expect, especially compared to newer luxury cars filled with complex, turbocharged, and hybrid systems. The most important factor is always buying the right years, the right engine, and a car with strong service history. Because in the used Mercedes market, smart ownership starts long before the car reaches your driveway.